But my original question was like, so for if people want to leave America and like try to find those...
Leave America and go where?
Back home.
Let's be honest. Go back where? It's not cool back home.
It's not?
My country now is in the economy now is in shambles. Like
Afrobeat star David Adeleke, popularly known as Davido, has come under every criticism over his recent remark advising Nigerians in America and Black Americans against relocating to Nigeria. Davido, while appearing on the Big Omi's Out podcast, urged the Black Americans, particularly Nigerians, not to return home, citing the country's current economic woes. The singer's remark followed speculations that some Black Americans were considering leaving the United States following the electoral victory of the U.S. President-elect Donald Trump. According to reports, Africans in America are concerned about the potential policies of Trump that may not favor them. Addressing the speculation, Davido said, "It is not cool back home. The economy is in shambles. I do my part. I am an ambassador. When I go home and I am filming, I am not going to show the bad parts. I'm talking about the situation in the country. Now, the exchange rate is messed up. A lot of stuff is not going well. The economy is just not good enough. The oil price is too high, paying more for it than a country importing oil." The comment, however, attracted mixed reaction from some citizens. While some asked the singer to immediately retract his statement, some said Davido stated the obvious. A chieftain of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Joe Igbokwe, in a post on his official Facebook page, advised the singer to retract his statement with immediate effect. Igbokwe said, "My in-law Davido has made me sad by telling the world in America that Nigeria's economy is in shambles. This is very sad. I will advise him to retract the statement ASAP. Nigeria made Davido." Similarly, Bashir Ahmed, a former aide to Nigeria's former president, Muhammadu Buhari, said the remark was disappointing. In a post on his official X handle, Bashir said, "Selling out your country from foreign oil is so disappointing and unpatriotic. Public figures like Davido should know that." A popular figure, DJ Switch, on her part said, "I don't understand the attack on Davido for telling it as it is on the state of Nigeria's economy. Or should he have lied? The false sense of rep your country is why we are not solving problems. Maybe Nigeria has not been embarrassed enough to make these people actually sit up." Another reaction from veteran Nollywood actor Patrick Doye also took to social media to knock superstar Afrobeat singer Davido for saying Nigeria's economy is in shambles. He said, "You have to be incredibly dense to ask foreigners not to visit a country where your father has a $2 billion power generation investment. Some persons ought to know much." Paulo Okoye, a music executive and boyfriend of Nollywood star Iyabo Ojo, has come to the defense of pop star Davido asking Nigerians to leave him alone over his economy comment. He wrote, "Please make una leave Davido alone, people." Davido spoke the truth. Nigeria's current economic state is so bad, with global companies leaving and local businesses facing significant losses. It is clear we are facing challenges. Let's acknowledge the reality and work towards a better future. God bless Nigeria. In similar news, TVC presenter Akshat Nimad also condemned Davido's statement about Nigeria economy. Reacting to the backlash in a tweet on Monday, Davido made a U-turn after heavy criticisms over his remark discouraging Black Americans from relocating to Nigeria due to the country's economic challenges. He tweeted via his X handle, saying, "God bless Nigeria." Get real-time updates and exclusive videos from NaijaNews TV. Stay tuned.